Welcome back. welcome back. Welcome back. welcome back, everybody. Happy Wednesday. Hey, made it half through the week, guys. We already in a trade, man. I've been managing this trade from the beginning, and whew, we up. All right. Hey, how's everybody doing? Let me know in the chat. Let me know how y'all doing this morning. Give me 1 sec, y'all. Give me 1 sec. I'm coming, guys. Give me 1 sec. All right, let's get it. Are we still in the trade, man? We breaking down in that 1 hour, y'all. Hold on, let me turn these lights up a little bit, man. It's a little dark. Make sure we good. The lighting good. Okay. All right, let me get back to the charts, y'all. Let's get it. First of all, you already know what I gotta do first. You already know what I gotta do. If you already know you've been here for the longest. Hey, we gotta spread that word. All right. Psalms 1, verse 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers. But whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night, that person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaves do not wither. Whatever they do prospers. Right? When you don't walk in the steps of wicked people, if you don't walk in the steps of these, unholy people, you're gonna see yourself doing good fruits, being in the spirit, planting good fruits, building your foundational rock. And you're gonna see your tree continue to blossom and branch out good fruits. So make sure that you're walking in good fruits, studying the law, studying God's ways day and night, staying in his word, meditate on it day and night, keeping yourself into the Lord, and he will bless you guys. You will see yourself prospering in this life, flourishing in this life, all right? Always remember that. Give it to the Lord. Are you walking in good fruits, or are you walking in bad fruits in your life? Always think about what you're doing, okay? And also, y'all, also, for the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, and also by the way of the wicked leads to destruction. God watches evil and good. He sees it all. When you're walking in righteousness, the Lord sees that. He's like, okay, this person is walking in righteousness. This person is being obedient. This person loves me. He's showing he's doing the right thing. He's being holy. But then if you're being bad and you're doing the bad things, you're out here doing wrong things. I'm not going to judge you, okay? I'm not going to judge you and say, oh, don't do this and don't do that. If you know in your heart and you getting that conviction that it's bad and that you need to change your ways, remember this. All vanity, all sin leads to destruction. All right? It all leads to destruction. All right, so we in this trade right now, y'all. So we're pushing, man. We got this. We caught this high, man. Goodness. Well, we're going to catch some more trades. We're not going to just get off yet. We just got on. I saw the trade. I had to get into it. I couldn't deny it. I couldn't deny the trade, y'all. Let me fix this coloring on this webcam. Give me 1 sec. All right, let's go. Let me see if I change this color. Let me see. I gotta fix this up, y'all. Okay, it's good enough. Good enough. Hey, how's everybody in the chat, man? Welcome, welcome, welcome. So look, let's get back to the charts. So as you can see, we couldn't push higher on the daily. Look at the daily. Oh, what is this? Hold up, let me get rid of this. What is that? All right, look. So previous day high, previous day high, previous day low. Cool. We see that we couldn't break higher than this point and catch some more liquidity on this 4 hour. We tapped into this 4 hour. We couldn't push higher. Even in yesterday, we couldn't push higher. The day before that, we couldn't push higher. But now, here we are on this red candle. Today, we're pushing down. And it looks like we're going to be feeling in some imbalance today. I would think, I would hope. If we can feel in some imbalance today, that would be nice. All right? We got so much imbalance below. So much. Let me see if we got any news. Give me 1 sec. Let me see if we got any news before I take another trade and get out this trade. Chicago PMI is at 845, and we have core PCE price index at 9 o'clock. So we got news at 845, Chicago PMI, but big news, the core PCE price index is at 9 o'clock. So 845 and 9 o'clock. We gotta watch out. But it's only like, yo, we at, what time is it right now? Let's see. It's only 7:56 macro time. All right, let's drop down. So we on the daily. We see that we're pushing down. We're breaking down, but down past that previous day low. Look at, let's see what else we got. We already up another 1,000. Goodness, that's what I'm talking about. We have a 4 hour. We have a 4 hour fair value gap below us. Drag that out a little bit. Sorry if we lagging. I don't know why we lagging. Boom. Breaking through this 30-minute. All right, so we had a 1 hour demand zone. 1 hour demand zone. We broke through the fair value gap at the 30-minute. If we do get a retracement, I might take out some partials right now, though, for real. Let me see about to take out some partials. So we're going to take out some partials right here, y'all. Let's get it. Take out 3. We're going to take out 3. All right, so we up 23.78 right now. Just took out 3. And don't, hey, look, remember, I'm going to take another trade. I'm going to risk some of these profits. If I can bring this account, keep building this count up, we're going to be good. Let's go. So we got 2 runners left, y'all. Come on, stop at break even. Just in case we pump back up into that previous day low. So we are in this 1 hour, y'all. We are literally at this 1 hour. I might take out 1 if we start pumping up some more. If we tap into this 30-minute, I might take 1 out. You're gonna see. Hey y'all, welcome in everybody in the chat. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Market opens up in 30 more minutes. But if we have a big bounce, if we start rejecting and going back up as a retest, I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna just take the little profits I have and just get out. And I'm gonna switch to a different account so we can start a new account and start trading some more. I'm not gonna stop trading, y'all. Just letting y'all know. Just because I took a big trade, just because I got into a big trade, doesn't mean this is it. I'm gonna get off or nothing. This just means that I take my profits, go into another account, take some more profits, go to another account, take some more profits. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep trading. Keep on practicing, keep on getting used to the market conditions. That's what we're doing. All right, let's go. All right, so that 1 hour just printed. As you can see, 1 hour just printed. Let's see if we're gonna push down a little bit more. I can take one more out. Let's see. Are we gonna pass below? We got 1 hour to this 4 hour. We didn't break this this low. We broke one low, but we didn't break this big low right here. So we're gonna see, y'all. Man, that was a nice short. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Goodness. That was a nice short. Alright, we pushing down more. But we could start retesting. So we're gonna tap, we're probably gonna tap into some more liquidity down here and then have a retest. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Like I said before, guys, even though I'm up right now, I'm gonna get off of this account, take my little profits, go to another account, and we're gonna take some more trades. So stick around, y'all. We're gonna take some more trades. We're not gonna like take 1 or 2 trades and get off. We're gonna take a lot of trades. As many as the accounts I have, we're gonna just keep on taking them. Let's do it. Let's go. See if we can push down a little bit more, a little bit further. So I'm gonna look at a different time frame to see what else we have. Pushing, we're pushing. We're rejecting this 1 hour. Can we push below? I might take out one more. I might take out two more shorts. Let's see what we got. See if we can tap in here. I'm gonna take out 2 right here. Put my limit buy order right here. If we can tap into that, there'll be 1 runner left. If we keep rejecting this 1 hour and push down a little further, I'll take out 1. Come on, what are you doing? All right, there we go. So we didn't look. So we didn't close past this 1 hour demand zone, and we didn't close past this low. So this could be a potential bounce right back and retest. We're gonna see. If we do retest into this 30-minute, I'm taking out 2. I'm gonna put a stop at 30. Put a stop for 2 at 30. Remember, like I said, guys, even though we're up right now, I'm still gonna take more trades on different accounts. I'm not gonna stop trading today. I'm gonna keep on trading until like 11 o'clock, 10, 11 o'clock. We're gonna see. So I have 2 markets. I got 2 stop buy orders at 30, and I have 2 limit buy orders at this low. So we're gonna see. Also, guys, remember, I want to let y'all know something. 80% off. All right, 80% off. Apex Trader Funding. Use that code, that guy. The sale ends tonight. All right, it ends tonight. Use that code. Go buy you some accounts that 80% off before this account starts becoming $50, $60, $80, you know what I'm saying? So make sure you go buy these accounts. They're off, 80% off. You'll get these accounts as low as $10, $20. Go get you some accounts before this sale ends tonight on Apex Trader, y'all. I'm not joking. Y'all have till tonight before they start making it 50% off, 60% off, and then you're gonna have to pay some hefty prices, okay? Go do that. Don't miss out. Please go get those accounts. Link is in the chat. Link is in the bio, in the description. Go check it out. 80% off Apex Trader Funding. Use that code, that guy, and you will get 80% off. The code ends tonight. And they're gonna go right back to 50% off, 60% off, and you don't want to pay $70 for a 50K account. If you can get you a 50K account for $20, $10, go do it right now. I'm not joking. Tonight is that day. I'm telling y'all, man. All right, look, like I said before, I'm gonna repeat it again. We are up on the day, but I'm gonna take more trades on different accounts. Once I get out of this trade, I'm taking more trades in another account. I'm not joking. We're gonna be taking trades all day. And I advise you, I am not a financial advisor. I am not a professional. I'm just a guy that likes to trade and make money. So make sure if you're copying my trades, be mindful. This is at your own risk, okay? Be mindful. We are on Top Step. I'm trading Top Step. I already passed most of my Apex accounts. I just got to trade these accounts right here because I'm trying to pass these accounts and keep it going. I'm waiting for my PAs on my Top Step. I mean, my Apex accounts. Let's go. Market opens up in 15, 16 more minutes. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Let me know in the chat. Anybody, don't be afraid to chat. Don't be scared. You can press one. You can say something. Don't be afraid to say something. Let's go. Let's put some more music back on. All right, so we are in range. Look, we're ranging. We are breaking. I can see we rejected this 1 hour. Look at that. On a 3 minute, on a 5 minute, nice rejection on a 1 hour. Can we push lower to this lower and get some more buys out? Let's see. But I'm gonna take some more trades at market open. By the time market opens, I'm gonna be done with this account. We're gonna get out of this account and call it a day. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, can we have that stop top? Can we get that buy or the limit or the hit? I'm trying to get out too. Market opens up in 14 more minutes, y'all. If y'all have any questions, let me know in the chat. If y'all have any more questions, remember that sale ends tonight, so make sure y'all get on that. 80% off, unless you want to pay full price, $100 on accounts. All right, 80% off. I'm gonna put it up for y'all real quick. I'm about to send this order. Make sure y'all get that account. 80% off. Ends tonight. Ends tonight, guys. I'm telling y'all. Once it goes back to 50%, and you start blowing accounts, and you want a full port accounts and full contracts, get that. Hey, what's up, Bleacher? What's good, my boy? Market opens up in 20 more minutes, y'all. 20 more. Let's go. 20 more. Let's go. Hey, let's see if that order is getting hit. Let's see if these orders are getting hit. All right, let me take this off the screen. I'm tired of seeing that. Hey, yo, it almost hit our order. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that. Let's get it. Give me 1 second. Let me send this email real quick. Give me 1 sec, y'all. Market opens up in 20 minutes, so we're gonna definitely take some more trades on a different account. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on, come on. Send that. All right, boom, bop. Give me 1 sec, y'all. Just sending some more stuff. All right, let's go. Back to it, back to it, back to it, back to it. Back to it, back to it. All right, come on. Let's get this buy orders on hit. Let's get it. Let's go. It is not tapping it. Yo, it's really like just hovering around it. Let's go. Come on, tap that thing. Let's get it. Take some more profits. Let's get it. Come on, so I can get rid of this order right here. All right, limit buy is about to get hit. We're about to get knocked out of 2 of them. We used to run Cammy Shovo. You remember me from the PS4 days? Yeah, you told me last time. You wasn't here last time, Bleacher. Hey, I remember that. We used to be on Cammy for real. Hey, come on, let's go, let's go. Let me hit that. Hold on, let me post this. Let me post this thing real quick on Instagram because I gotta get more people in here. Market opens up in a few, y'all. I'm not gonna take no more trades until market opens. All right, let's go. We still haven't tapped that limit buy? Amazing. 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 We have not tapped that limit buy. Amazing. How long you been trading for, G? Almost 3 years. 3 years, G. 3 years, my boy. Still like a baby in the game, but hey, that's still decent to like kind of know what you're doing though. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cause I be seeing people on social media be in it for like 1 year and they already said I'm up 1,200, I'm up 3,000. It's like, yeah. Watch them days come by and you gonna realize how much you know about yourself. All right, man, we caught this short. It was obvious that this market wanted to reject. It's a simple rejection. The market did not want to push higher, so the shorts wanted to come in. I thought the shorts were gonna come in yesterday, but apparently it wanted to do whatever. I don't know. You know, the market does what it wants. It looks for liquidity, gets people in, gets people out. Right? We didn't close past this 1 hour on this demand zone, so I'm looking for some more push down to get me out of this limit order. But if we don't push down, then about a 30 minute, I'm gonna just take out 2. And then once the market opens, I'm gonna get out fully and we're gonna go into a different account to trade. So stick around and wait for market open, y'all, so we can get some more trades in on a different account. So I won't be trading this account, take my profits and just close this account out for the day, and that's it. All right. Make sure y'all get these accounts. They're 80% off. They end today. 80% off ends today on Apex Trader, y'all. Go get you some accounts, all right? Don't miss out on this deal. It ends today at 11:59 p.m. tonight. Use that code, that guy. All right. Use that code. All right, let's go. Let me turn this way so y'all can really see. Here we go. All right. Can we push lower? Can we get this? We got the fill. Yo, it took me out. Wait, y'all see that? Yo, wait, let me know in the chat. Didn't I have 2 orders, right? All right, wasn't I in 3, Mike? Hold up. Wait a minute, bro. This market really kicked me out. Hold on, bro. Ah, no, I'm not tripping. Oh, I did have 2. Never mind. I thought I had 3. I'm tripping. All right, so we off this account right now. Look, we up. Hey, we up. We up 3,000. Let's do it. All right, I'm about to switch to a different account and trade that one. I mean, I'm waiting for market open too, so I can't trade until market open. So look, we did good in this account. 2 contracts. Oh, okay, baby. 2 contracts. I thought it was 3 for a second. I was tripping, bro. My eyes be playing tricks on me. Thanks for letting me know that. All right, so we about to switch to a different account, y'all. Another account. Boom. Gonna pass this one. Let's see. Hold up. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. See if we get more jazz in here. And also, hey, y'all can make some music requests. I'm only gonna play the instrumental. If y'all want me to play a certain instrumental, if it's a certain music y'all want me to play, but the instrumental, I'll do it. All right. Just let me know. Whoa, crazy! It's been like a decade. Draker, Jakar. I'm sorry, I said Draker. My bad, bro. Wait, Jakari. Oh, Jakari. I'm sorry. Damn. Sometimes when I read names, I be seeing all kind of stuff. My bad. Hey, it's been. Hey, I know it's been a minute. I haven't been posting, but this is where I've been at. Just trading on my main channel. Let's go, y'all. All right, market opens up in 14 more minutes. We just did get on this account. We did 3,000. We caught the highs. We really caught the high of this move. Nice move. We broke this previous day low. We broke this 30-minute fair value gap. We didn't close past this 1 hour, so we could see a good retest or retracement back up to these previous day lows. Hopefully we might see a break to come and fill this imbalance below, because we have a whole lot of imbalance. Look at all this imbalance we gotta fill. If we continue to break, if we break all of this still, if we continue to break this, I can see the shorts coming in, and I'm taking a short on this account. I'm just letting y'all know. So if you do copy my trades, it's on your own risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. Because if I was a professional, I'd be probably working for a hedge fund right now. So just let y'all know, on your own risk, if you are trading and you copying my trades, on your own risk, be mindful. That's on you, not on me. All right, but I'm gonna show y'all what's going on, what I'm seeing. So we are breaking down on this previous day. Look, so my bias of the day is short. I think we're gonna go short and fill some of this imbalance below. Can y'all see this imbalance below? Look at all this imbalance below. All this green we haven't even tapped into. I think we're gonna hit that today, but we gotta see. I think we're gonna have to see a retracement first, and then we're gonna continue to go short. That's on a daily. All right, so drop it down to a 4 hour. It's a little noisy, a little music. Hold on, let's see if I can find another song that's. All right, let's get it. So as you can see this PDL? That's previous day low. So we broke the previous day low of yesterday, and we came down to this low. But the thing is, on this 1 hour, we closed within this low. So we didn't really break it. We broke one low, but we didn't close past this one. So we might see a retest to the previous day low, and then come back down for a retest to go down for the shorts. So I'm gonna show y'all what that looks like. See if I got a marker. Let me put this down. Give me 1 sec, y'all. Give me 1 sec. Let me see. Give me 1 sec, y'all. This right here. This is what I'm thinking is gonna happen. Bop. Bop. That's what I think is gonna happen. And maybe possibly maybe a little bounce and then tap. Alright, y'all see? I'm gonna leave this up here just in case it does that for the day. So y'all gonna see. I think we're gonna tap into this 4 hour right here. Who wouldn't? Hey, this is what I'm thinking is gonna happen. It's good seeing y'all in the chat. Y'all see what I see? Y'all see what I see? This is what I see. Previous day low retest, rejection of previous day low, come down, bounce, come up, bounce, come down. That's what I'm thinking is gonna happen today. I'm just thinking retest, 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 and we're gonna go for the shorts. That's all I'm seeing. It could be, I pray it's that easy. I hope it's that easy. If it's that easy, then we good. All right, let me spread this word again. Market opens up in 10 minutes. Let me spread this word real quick. One more time for y'all. It's important that I do that. Remember, Psalms 1, verse 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked, okay? Blessed is the one that's not walking with the wicked, or stand in the way with that is sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers. So you're not standing in the way with sinners, and you're not sitting in the company of mockers. I mean, which you probably will, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord? So you're blessed when you're delighting in the Lord's word. You're blessed that when you're constantly calling on the Lord and constantly having supplication and giving thanks and prayer to the Lord, you're blessed, right? And who meditates on his law day and night. So when you're meditating on his law day and night, remember, we got a couple of more minutes until the market opens. Remember, when you're meditating on the Lord's law day and night, constantly in his word, right? Constantly in the Lord's word, praying, giving him thanks, supplication, constantly doing the right thing. You're blessed. The person is like a tree planted by the streams of water. So you're like a tree that's planted with streams of water, which yields fruit in its season, right? And whose leaves does not wither, and whatever you do, it prospers. When you're doing good fruits and you're bearing good fruits and you're living by good fruits, right? You're prospering, you're growing good fruits. But when you're doing wrong and you're doing bad, you're like leaves that's gonna wither, You're gonna get cut off. You ever see a plant that grows and you see plants that like have leaves that just constantly fall off? Those are bad fruits you don't want to have. They tend to fall off, right? But when you see a plant that grows and it grows beautifully, that flourishes, that prospers, that does not wither, you're growing good fruits because you're living by the living word, right? All right, so look, we're keeping it simple. For the Lord watches over the way of the righteous, right? But the way of the wicked leads to destruction. So when you're living righteously, the Lord sees that. When you're living wickedly, the Lord sees that. But remember, wickedness, sins, vanity leads to destruction. Not saying you're going to be perfect. Not saying that you got to be perfect. Just saying that when you're constantly repenting, saying, I shouldn't have said this to this person. I shouldn't be watching this certain thing. I should be watching my mouth because it's the same thing, good things that come out of your lips comes out evil. So make sure, watch what you're doing, Try to put a cap on the things that are wicked. I'm not saying you're going to be perfect, You're not going to be perfect. All right? So market's about to open. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So we on the 1 hour. Hey, I'll keep watching. Hey, keep watching. Learn something. The Bible says, he who asks will receive. He will seek will shall find, right? If you asking, you will receive. If you asking God, Lord Jesus, I pray that you bless me with this thing, right? Having faith in that, God is going to bless me with that thing. But you also have to have works with that faith, right? So you have to seek for this. You have to find it. Once you seek it, you will find it. And when you knock at that door, it shall be open to you, right? So make sure that you're praying for what you want. You having faith in it that God will provide it to you. You constantly seeking. You're constantly doing that work, the good works. And when you knock at that door, and when you at that right door and it knocks and that door opens for you, congratulations, you made it. So make sure you're doing the right thing, y'all. Let's get it. Market opens up in 7 more minutes. Market opens up in 7 more minutes. Make sure y'all like and subscribe too. We're gonna wait till this market opens and we're gonna catch some trades. Oh no, not that. No. Let's go. Man, my phone's been tripping. Market opens up in a few. Oh yeah, I gotta switch accounts. I'm tripping. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it. See what we can get, man. We haven't had no movement yet. Goodness, we're moving sideways. Look at that. Let's go. Market opens up in a few more minutes, y'all. Once we see what market does, we're gonna take them trades. High house, let's do it. The message retracted. Why you retracting messages for, man? Why don't be retracting messages? Keep that message. Stay true. Stay real. Don't retract that. Don't be retracting no message. I'll see you in the chat. Pouring them out. Market opens up in 5 more minutes, y'all. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. Dang, so we do have imbalance above too. Let's see what we got. Previous day low. We have a 5-minute supply right here above our heads. Let me go ahead and chart a little bit, because I don't really see any other moves besides, because I would chart, but we don't have any like supply and demand, literally. Like nothing that's bouncing right now. I think I need a Google search. Apex Fund, do your thing. You know they're prop firms. That's all they are. They're prop firms. They provide you accounts without using your own capital in these markets to help you make money. So they give you prop accounts, simulated accounts to pass, so you can start paying yourself out. And these accounts cost $20, $30, $50, depending on the coupon. So this account ends tonight. This sale ends tonight. I'm gonna show you the sale one more time before market opens. 80% off Apex Trader funding. Use code THATGUY. It ends tonight. All right. So you got time. Do your research. Watch some YouTube videos. Watch some TikTok videos. It's easy. I mean, shoot, we in 2025. It should be simple on how to search and do things, and you already know how to do it. Good job to you, good job, my friend, doing your thing. Go do some research. All right. So the sale ends tonight. You don't want to trade your own capital. You want to use their accounts to make you money, but you have to pay a subscription or a fine. I'm not a fine, a fee to pay for one of their accounts. All right, so do that. The sale ends tonight, 80% off. You get you some good accounts. All right, market opens up in 3 more minutes, y'all. We have a 5-minute supply zone right here. 5-minute supply. If we do come up and bounce off that, let's see what else we have. Do we have anything else? We have imbalance, but I'm gonna just wait. We do have news at 8:45 and 9 o'clock. Index at 9 o'clock, and what was it? I forgot something else. I gotta look at it again. So I'm gonna be mindful at 8:45. Hey, please remind me at 8:45. Please remind me, y'all, at 8:45. Remind me to stay out the market, because sometimes I forget. If you say, "Oh, it's 8:45, Quasi, get out," please let me know in the chat. Please let me know in the chat. All right, let's see what we're gonna do right here. I gotta see. Could we have a nice bounce? Maybe go down for some more shorts. If my computer stopped laggy. All right, let's see. For sure. All right. We are pushing up into these, we are pushing up to the low. So we're gonna see what happens right here, y'all. I'm gonna put this on a 3-minute. All right, let's go. Man, this color is not it on my face. Let me see if I can change this coloring. Looking a little dark. It's a little cloudy today, by the way. So if it does look like, really bluish, it's a little cloudy. Let me see. Will this change anything? That didn't change nothing. Yeah, that didn't change nothing. Oh well. So what's gonna happen right here? Ooh, rejection, big rejection. Market is open, y'all. Market is open. Let's go. Market is open. See what we get. Are we getting a rejection? Ooh, maybe this 1 hour rejection right here. Look how we're rejecting this 1 hour perfectly at this line. Let's see. Does this mean more shorts? Maybe tap down for more shorts. Let's see. If we get the break, I'm going short. If we get the break at this low, I'm going short. Just let y'all know. It is 1:30 Thursday morning here in New Zealand. Oh, you're in New Zealand. Whoa. Hey, that's what's up. That's lit. Wow, you in New Zealand right now? That's crazy. I don't know if you even could trade Apex in your. I don't know if it's eligible, but hey, you could do some research. I don't even know. You're in New Zealand right now? That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. All right, we're breaking down, y'all. Let's see. See what happens. Nice rejection at that 5 minute. Oh my goodness, that was a perfect trade that I missed. Yo, look at the rejection. Look at the bounce. Wow. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? 1, 2, 3. But that's open. That's market open though. You don't want to trade market open. It gets a little choppy. You know what I'm saying? And we got news. Look at those. Look at the rejection. Boom. 1, 2, 3 rejection at the perfect point. Nice. Yeah, the shorts might come in. I gotta see a retest. I gotta see a retest. Gotta see a retest for sure. See what we got. Are these shorts coming in? Are we gonna bounce back up? Gotta see. I need more confirmation. We're not breaking. I mean, we did kind of break technically. Dang, that was a big move, y'all. That was a big move. I'll look into it. Hey, for sure. Let me know too. Let me know when you do find out, cause I gotta know that. New Zealand, that's something. Wow, amazing. Ooh, are we retracing? Let's see. Remember, I don't trade the first 5 minutes of the market open, so I want to make sure the market kind of stabilizes itself, kind of calm down, you know, before I take a trade. Remember, we're up on this trade. We did good on this trade earlier today. I took it early, but I want to see what happens right here. Let me look at a 5 minute. Let me look at a 5 minute. We didn't break right here above, but we stayed below. So this might give me a continuation for the short. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We can move sideways. We can. That's a little tricky. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough. Let me try a long right here. Let me try a long right here. Let me try to scalp that. Put my stop above the lows for 180. Damn, my thing is laggy. Let's see. Remember, when y'all taking these trades, y'all, be mindful. Hey, that's at your own risk. We're getting out of that. I want to see. I didn't like that price action. Are we gonna move sideways over here? Let's see. I'm gonna look for more confirmation. More shorts? Yeah, rangy. I gotta make sure. I gotta get more confirmation, y'all. All right, let's take some more shorts. Let's see what happens right here. Are we continuing to reject this point? Let's see if we can get the break. If we get the break, we're gonna get some more shorts. I gotta see the break. Come on now. There we go. There we go. Nice. So far, New Zealand is not explicitly listed as a restricted country by Apex Trader, so it's likely applicable. Hey, that's what's up. That's what's up. Glad to hear that. We broke. All right, so we did break on the 1 minute. Let's see what we got. All right, 1 minute, 2 minute. I want to say 2 minute for sure. 2 minute really be the where is that? 2 minute break. I gotta see a rejection right here. I want to see a clear rejection right here. Clear sweep. I gotta see it. Sorry for the lag, y'all. Alright. Oh, I like that. Nice trade. Nice trade. Hey, I'm not mad at it. I was trying to get into some more contracts, but it's getting away from me. And I don't want, and the thing is, I can add more. I just don't want it to move my entry. That is annoying, man. When you don't have a set limit order, it will move your entry all the way down and you'll have a retest in the negative. Hey, I just don't like that. All right, let's see. Are we gonna tap into that? Man, we might could tap into that. I might just hold the trade I have now and let it be. Might just let the trade I have now and just hold it for sure. Let's go. Can we push down? Nice push. Yo, hey, if you in this trade, hey, what's up, Joshua? What's up? If you in this trade, you're making money, yo. For real. Wow, nice. Let's go. And we do get some crazy retests. Let me see about this. Let me see this area right here. I want to see what happens right here. If I have to put a Hey, we're making money. Let's go. Good job. Anybody that took that trade, good job. Let's go. We tap. We are breaking. Oh, well, we up 330. Hey, let's go. Let's go. We did that. Good job, everyone that took that. Good job. Man, we are breaking. Ooh, wee. Yo, we breaking. Good job, y'all. Proud of y'all. Y'all did that. Y'all did that. I'll turn this up. Proud of y'all. Trying to not make it just too bright. Let's go. Hey, I haven't seen you in a minute. Didn't know you trade live now. Joshua, yes I do, my boy. That's what we do. That's what we do now. That's all we do. And guess what guess what we also do too. Hey, guess what we also do? We spread that word. Alright? I'm gonna say it again. Psalms 1. Blessed is the one that does not walk in step with the wicked. Remember, stand in the way of the sinners and sit in the company of mockers. Blessed are you when you don't sit with the wicked people, when you don't take in with the mockers, when you don't take in with the judgmental, when you don't take in with the sins and the vanity, right? Even though we do, sometimes we listen to bad music, sometimes we say the wrong things about people, we judge people, we do it. We all human, we do it. But the thing is, guys, God sees that. He knows the hearts of y'all, man. He knows everybody's hearts. Everything under the heavens and the earth belongs to him. He knows it. And there's going to be a time and day when we're going to all have that judgment. We're going to all have to face what we said and what we done, right? It's recorded in the book of life, in the book of death. We're going to face what we did and what we said, all right? Also remember this, guys. When you're like a tree that's planted, either your leaves are going to be like vanity and wither off, or you're going to be prosperous and be holy and constantly grow like streams of water. So make sure you choosing wisely everything what you say and everything that you do in the day, all right? Please, guys, do the right thing. We are breaking lower, man. Look at this, man. Beautiful break. I should have added more, but man, y'all did that. Let's go. Hey, let's see what we at. All right. Let me see. All right, so we're tapping in to this point. We hit this point right here, y'all. We hit this point right here. Look at this. I don't know if we're gonna bounce right here, but we're gonna see. We are really breaking this liquidity. So anything below this point is, let me put this right here. Imbalance. I don't know. Let me look it up. I'm being illiterate right now. Yeah, imbalance. I'm tripping. I'm thinking I'm tripping. Imbalance below. It needs to be filled. Once you break that, imbalance below for sure. Right? All right, look, we're already testing. And we probably could push a little lower. I ain't gonna lie to you. Let's see. If you're watching, good for you. All right, so we already testing. We off this trade. We up 380. All right, so we up 3,000 on this account, which we took earlier. We up 338 on this account with 2 micros. 2 micros. Not 1 mini, not 2 minis, not 4 minis, 2 micros. That's not bad. Because I thought the retest was going to come in. Hey, amen, Joshua. Amen, man. We need the Lord so bad, bro. We need him. Right? Good trade, y'all. Also, hey, we're gonna see. Hey, you know what? I'm gonna catch some more trades. I'm not gonna just take this and run. We're not gonna just take this little 338 and run. We're gonna take some more trades. So I'm deciding to take the big boy decision and risk profits. Okay, we're gonna risk some profits. See what we can do. See what we can get out this market. See what else that we can get out this market. So we'll see. We got the bounce. We respected that line. Let's see what else we can do. Let's see. Man, are we breaking down for some more? I'm trying to see right now, y'all. Give me a second. Let me see. We'll see what we got. See if I'm missing out on anything. See if we got anything right here. Ooh, yes, we do. 15 minutes. Let's go. Let me add that to the. Let me add that to the right. Wow, 15-minute right here, y'all. We got a 15-minute right here. Are we gonna tap that and bounce back off that? Let's see, 15-minute. Boom, 15-minute demand. Let's go. Bring that back over here. All right, we bounced at the 15-minute. Are we respecting that 15-minute? That's the question. Let's see. Should I go for the retest? We're gonna see. I don't know. It looks like we're gonna continue to break down. I don't know, y'all. Let's go. Oh, snap. What am I doing? There we go. Yo, by the way, your stream is laggy, the cam and the desktop. Hey, thanks for the advice. Yeah, for sure. I gotta get a stronger computer. I think it can't handle the load that the stream on OBS and the trading is taking. It's kind of lag. I know. Thanks for the advice, bro. Thanks for letting me know that. Appreciate it. It do lag out because this computer is a 2019. It's good, but it can't handle the load of the streaming and the OBS with the trading. That's a lot. You know what I'm saying? And I'm hardwired. That's the catch. Ooh. 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 Uh-oh. Dang, that got away from me. I liked that play. Oh, that got away. That got away. That got away. Oh, that got away. Dang. Oh, well. That bounce was perfect. I just didn't. You know what made me hesitate on that bounce? It's this right here. This could have like, it didn't close past this candle. That what got me. It didn't close. This green was a nice bounce, but it just didn't close. I didn't like the close on it. Dang, it would have tapped it in balance. Oh well, it's cool. It's cool. It is what it is. Let's see how far can we go up. We might have a big old bounce to the longs. Let's see. We got 11 minutes until this 4-hour closes. Hey, thanks for letting me know though, Switch, for real, because I've been thinking about it. I gotta get a new computer. Are we gonna bounce back up into this low? Let's see. Are we gonna bounce into this previous day low and these higher lows and come down for some more liquidity and some more imbalance at the bottom? Or are we gonna continue to push up? Since we didn't close on the 1 hour and we didn't break none of these lows. What trading platform is this one? This is Top Step. So the Apex ones I got, I'm just waiting for the accounts. That's all I'm waiting for because I just passed them. But this is Top Step. I'm just trying to pass these accounts because I'm using a lot of prop firms. I'm trying to pass as many prop firms as I can to have a bunch of accounts on so many of them, just in case something crazy happens. You know what I'm saying? Like you don't want to have just one debit card. You want to have like 4 debit cards or 4 credit cards or whatever. You know what I'm saying? A bunch of accounts, right? So that's why I'm using a bunch. Right now, I like Top Step because I've been trying to work their platform out, get them passed so I can have them count, then go back. So I'm waiting on Apex right now. I'm waiting on their accounts. But the thing is, they don't have discounts. Now you could trade Top Step. I could put it in the description. But they got 3 accounts. There's 3 accounts. There's the 50, the 100, and the 150, which costs $50, $100. You know what I'm saying? $150. But with Apex, you got the 80% off. You know what I'm saying? You got the Apex and you got the 80% off. You buying accounts at $10 and $20 and $17. Like, you see what I'm saying? Compared to $50 and you blow it, and then another 50 you blow it, and another 100 you blow. Compared to 80% off on this, you see what I'm saying? That's a no-brainer. So I got a bunch of those accounts. I'm just waiting for them to give me, like, you know, to change, you know, to give me my funded. I can trade it, and that's that. But with Top Step, it's a little bit more expensive. Like Trader5, Take Profit Trader, you know, funded trader. Like, you have a lot of accounts that cost a lot of money. So I don't know if people are willing to spend 100, 200 on accounts easily, then maybe blow it and go, oh, I blew it, now another 200. Oh, I blew it, now another 100. That's a lot of money. That adds up, you know, and I've been there. That stuff adds up. So make sure y'all get that account. It ends tonight. All right, it's in the description. This is Top Step. If you want to check them out, go do it. I'm not gonna advise you how you spend your money. I'm just trying to help out. Top Step. This is exactly how it's spelled. Go give them a try. But they don't do any discounts. Right now they don't have no discounts. They haven't did affiliates and discounts in almost a year. I promise you. There was a time when Top Step was on this platform. They was giving out discounts, 90% off, 80% off, 50% off, but they don't do it no more. They're trying to get everybody into a live brokerage account. Okay, we're breaking down. Let me see if I can get another trade in. We're breaking down off this imbalance below. Wow. Did we tap into it? That's the question. Did we tap into it? Yes, we did. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Man, it just tapped that and just failed. Goodness, man, look at the setup. The setup is there. Y'all see the setup. It's there. Y'all see it. It's doing exactly what I'm pinpointing that. The market is doing exactly what I see. I had a feeling it was gonna do this. Hey, if I could go back to that little if I can go back to what that thing I had, when I first started, right? Before the market even opened, what did I say it was gonna do? I said it was gonna do this right here. Didn't I show that? Didn't I show that, right? I ain't a financial advisor or professional, but if you look at the markets enough, if you look at the screens enough, you're gonna start getting enough screen time to understand the pattern and the development of the market. You will see it develop so much that you know what's gonna happen next. But you know, sometimes news will throw you off. All right, we have news already, or so we have 8:45 that passed, 9 o'clock. I advise not to take no trades right now when index is coming out. No trades right now, y'all, because look, we have core PCE in 6 minutes. This market about to get a little crazy. So if you start seeing this market move sideways, it's because we got index right now, price index right now in a few minutes. So we're gonna sit on hands and chill in the chat for a little bit. We're gonna chill on the chat for a little bit, all right? I'm gonna sit on hands. I just thought I was gonna take a trade, but not right now, because this market is getting a little crazy. We are breaking this line. Wow, that was a perfect bounce off the imbalance, but man, bro, how did I miss that trade? How did I miss that? Break right there, boom. Tap, tap, tap. Buyers dried up. We broke this low. Retest. Couldn't pass this high. Broke down and boom, just continued to go down. Man, easy play. Easy play. I was too busy yapping. There's all that yapping I was doing. Yep, yapping. Let me get rid of this. This don't mean nothing. This don't mean nothing. But that could have been a nice little short, by the way. That could have been a nice short. But we're gonna see. Then we got news in like 6 more minutes, y'all. So we gotta sit on hands. 5 more minutes, news come out. We're gonna sit on hands. We're not gonna take no trades until like news kind of settle down. Cause this thing can start getting volatile and slippage, you know? You start seeing it go up and down, up and down. So we're gonna see. Crazy stuff about to happen. Y'all about to see. So stick around. Y'all about to see the market go crazy. See how we moving sideways? This market, the buyers and sellers are drying up. This thing is it's thinning out right now. So see how it's thinning out? We're not having no clear direction. We're not really continuing to move lower. We're not continuing to move higher. News about to come out. Make sure y'all like and subscribe too. Ooh, it's about to get crazy. Look at that. Look at that candle. Let's go. Yep, this is Top Step. I'm gonna start putting the platforms in the description, which ones I trade, because I think that's more important than anything. But the thing is, dang, this is really causing some crazy action. See these? Look at this. The thing about these platforms is they all do the same. They just got different rules. Like, you know, the thing about all these platforms, you gotta pass a simulation to get funded. Once you get funded, then you can start taking payouts. And then when you start taking payouts and start proving yourself, you get a live account, which is their money, their brokerage account. That's real money. So that's the goal. You get with a platform, so without spending your $1,000 on a trading account, like your own live account, you go with a platform. You get funded. I mean, you get a simulation. You pass a simulation. You get funded. You get payouts by just constantly winning in the market, doing good in the market, and then you're gonna get a live account, which is their brokerage account, which is their money. So that's the game right now. That's what everybody does nowadays. We're breaking down. News happens in 3 more minutes. I'm gonna sit on hand until news come out. I'm not gonna trade it. So I don't know how crazy it's about to get. This can start. You might see it break down and just shoot back up. So we gotta be mindful of what's going on. Let me look at some more zones to see if we have any more zones sitting around that I can possibly bounce off of. I don't really see none. Do we have a bounce anywhere? I see imbalance below. Man, we might continue short, honestly. We really might continue short. I am not joking. Wait for the news to come out so we can take our next trade. Liquidity. Let's see. Alright. Still got a lot of imbalance below. Alright. News come out in 2 more minutes. Just because it's breaking down don't mean you gotta get into the trade. Alright, we're here. We bounced off this imbalance. Man, that should have been a nice. Man, I should have took that. Beautiful trade. Make sure y'all like and subscribe too. Like and subscribe. We're already up. We up on this account. We up on that account. Alright. We did good on this account. I'm over with that one. Now we got this account I'm trying to work on. And we're just constantly coming down. News is in 1 more minute. 1 more minute, y'all. News. See what am I lagging? Hold up. Yeah, I'm lagging. I'm about to put on the new webcam, the other webcam. All right, come on, let's get that retest. See if we can get a retest back up to these lows for continuation to the shorts again. Let me see a higher time frame to see if we got. Yeah, man, we are breaking. Yeah, there's no coming back up from this. Yeah, we breaking. Oh, we did respect that. We might shoot back up high. All right, here come news. Here we go. Here we go. This is the moment y'all been waiting for. The moment we all been waiting for. We got 20 seconds. 20 seconds to see what's gonna happen. Let's see how many ticks is this. All right, 5 seconds. Here we go. Ooh-wee. Ooh. They doing anything? Are we doing anything? Probably not. Oh, it's thinning out. What's going on? Alright, so this ain't really do much. Okay. Okay, so shoot, I'm gonna just continue without trading. I'm thinking we was gonna be right. Alright, so the 1 hour just printed, right? We have another 1 hour. 1 hour just printed, y'all. 1 hour just printed. I think these loans about to come in. These loans might come in. I want to see a break. If we can get above this and retest, if we can get above this and stay above this, hey, I'm gonna go for the longs for sure. Put the fair value gap right here. Keep this fair value gap, see if the longs might come in. We're gonna see. I'm gonna gauge you with 1. Oh, oh, come on, give me in that. See what happens right here. This is a 1 minute. Let me take this off. Give me a second. I want to see if we retest and stay above. If we can stay above this, hey, I'm gonna get into a long. That's my plans. But if we don't and we continue to break down, then I'm gonna just go short. But from the looks of it, every candle just did every candle just print? Oh, every time frame just printed. Yo, all right. Every time frame just printed, y'all. Every time frame just printed. Okay. Come back down. We stayed above that. We're gonna see if we can get a retest. Let's see if it's gonna retest a little bit and then we can go long. See if I can get a quick long scalp. Couldn't feel that. I'm going long right now. I'm taking 1 long and I'm gonna put 1 stop. I'm gonna put my stop tight. Okay. That candle was wacky. I don't like that candle. I ain't like that candle at all. If we respect this fair value gap, I'm gonna go in heavier. And just risk these profits a little bit. 5-minute prints. Unless we get below it. If we get below it, I'm going short. Come on, stop right here. Okay. That was a fake out for y'all. Okay. Damn, I'm a little laggy. What's going on, Cap? Adding. Big drop. Respect it. Please respect it. If you don't respect it, I'm gonna take out 5. It's probably not gonna respect it. Yeah, I figured. We had a key level. That's the thing. Let's go. Let's go. No faking. Let's push. Come on. If you don't push, I'm taking out because, yo, that's a good trade. That was an ugly little move. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Really? Come on, yo. Push that thing. Get out and push. All right. That's taking forever to push. Like the volume just... All right. I see the volume is like really acting crazy. Wow, you really are not trying to give me that, huh? You're really not trying to give me that. I want a tight stop. I want to get out. I don't want to be in this too long. I'm gonna put a tight stop. I know it looked like a rejection. This could be a rejection. Thank you. Can I add more? Jeez. Let's go. There we go. Wow. Got a bit, well, I mean, of course, the market got to develop. All right. It has to develop. That's the purpose. Good job. I didn't want to size too heavy just in case we do slip and they just like do some crazy move on me. You know what I'm saying? All right, I'm going to take out partials right here. Let me see. I'm not going to take out partials yet. Not yet, not yet. I want to go into tap that. I want to tap that. That's what I want. I'm holding this. All right, we're coming into that imbalance again. We gotta break that imbalance. We have to break this imbalance. If we break this imbalance, I can see us continue to go higher. Oh, we're breaking the imbalance. Never mind. Give yourselves a pat on the back for doing good. Give yourself a pat on the back for doing good. Because we out here trading. All right, I'm gonna take out partials. All right, got one runner left. I'm gonna break it even. Boom. So we up 610. Good job, everybody that stayed in the trade. Good job, good job. Good job, everybody that stayed in this trade. Good job. We caught a nice little long. A nice, let's see how many ticks. Who's that? Wow, look at that. You wanna come back down. That was 130 ticks. Not bad. Not bad. Man, we only playing micros. We only playing micros, y'all. Let's see what we do right here. Let's see if we can get a retest and a continuation of a respect. Hey, I'm gonna get in some more longs. I might take some more longs. I'm gonna just be honest. Only risk what you're willing to afford to lose. You know what I'm saying? Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that. Ooh, that's a nice little trade. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, for sure. Let me see. Hold up. If we get a good respect on this, let's see. I think everybody's seen that one. Goodness. Everybody saw that move. Everybody saw that move. Ooh. Ooh. I'm getting FOMO. I'm adding. I'm out. That was a little crazy. Dang. That was a little crazy. I did too much on that one. But we'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna see if I can add some more on that one. I wanna see what happens. And that, dang, did it dry up? Nah, they're not drying up. Let's go. Let's go. Keep pumping. Let's go. Let's go. All right, I'm out one. Boom. All right, we up 700. Put my stop below this low right here for 13 loss. Let's go. Look at that. Let's build. Just in case, hey, just in case we do flop down, hey, this market, and especially look, the fact that we still printed right there below this imbalance, I'm not going to, you know, this market can do whatever it wants. Let's go. Let's go. Bam. Oh, we didn't even print that. Let's see. Let's go. All right, so we have 718. Gotta be careful. All right, so we, like I said, up 3,000 on this one. Loving it. And up 718 on this one. Oh, we pumping some up? Oh, let's get it to 8. Let's get it to 8. Come on, let's get it to 8. Let's get it to 8. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Let's see. Hey, we might get back into this, what you call it. Hey, I'm taking out right here. Let's see. Right here. We tap into this. I'm getting out. That was a strong one. I like, dang, it be printing right underneath what I see. Let's see what happens. Oh. We got me in. Yeah. Yeah. Break this even. Good job. Anybody that's in that trade, good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. We doing good. We doing good. Proud of y'all. Good job. All right, let's go. Tap my thing. Let's go. Get me out of there so I can get off. Get me out of there so we can get off. I don't mean get off, you know what I'm saying? We're going to keep on trading. Like I told y'all. Hey, we up 800 on the day. Like I said, look. Hey, 800 on the day. Last account on Top Step, 3,000. Easy. 800 on another account. Easy. We doing it. We doing it. Thank God. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for giving me that wisdom, that understanding. Gotta thank him for that, you know, because sometimes there was a time when I was blind. I couldn't understand none of this stuff, yo. Ooh, lockout. I'm locking out. All right, I'm locking out. I'm locking out. Okay. This is the lockout feature, you know? Y'all know what this is. Y'all see that feature? That's called locking out. We're locking out. All right, boom. All day. Let's go. Let's try another account. Let's try another account. We're gonna do this again. Keep on doing it. I don't like copy trading, but hey, we're gonna do it. All right, so we locked out of two accounts. This one, this one. We're locked out. All right. We did good on both of these accounts. Look at that. Doing really good. All right, so we're gonna do another account, another top step account. Let's see where we at. All right, so we're tapping into this 1 hour right here. So y'all see, we tap into this 1 hour demand. We had a bounce at this beautiful level. Look at this beautiful bounce. Psh, beautiful bounce. Also at this 15-minute. It's a 15-minute fair value gap. I mean 15 minutes. It's not a 15-minute fair value gap. It's a 15-minute demand zone. We had the bid up. We caught the longs right here, y'all. See? You're like, how did you catch that long? What did you see, right? You might ask, what did you see? So what did I see was we had a fair value gap that we continue to respect. Look right here. On the 1 hour, even though what I'm trying to say. On the 1 hour, we bounced. You see how we have this block right here? We bounced right here. So my bias was to say, hey, let's catch this long. Let's catch this move, retest back up, this move up, right? So dropping down to a 5 minute. I mean, drop it down to a 5 minute. Also, another thing that I noticed is that we tapped into some of this liquidity right here, and maybe I said we gotta have a retrace or a retrace or a retest. We have to. I'm gonna show y'all that. So let's drop down again to a 1 minute or even a 2 minute. So look right here. On a 2 minute, we have a fair value gap. On a 2 minute, we have a fair value gap. Boom, respected it. You see that respect? What I mean by respect is these candles are not dipping they're not dipping longer, or they're not dipping more underneath this fair value gap. They're respecting this fair value gap. You know, even though we're mitigating that fair value gap, we're touching it. We're respecting it with the wicks. Look at that. Look at the respect on it. It's standing above it. You see? And look how we're causing a block. This just shows that it doesn't want to go down any shorter. Can y'all see that? Look at that. This line right here. Let me get rid of this. This is nothing. You see this? Look at this build up. Block, candle. And you see how we continue to go higher? Look at these wicks. I mean, look at the wicks. It don't want to go down. It's saying, hey, I don't want to go down. I might keep wicking down, but I don't want to go down. That's what it's showing me, right? Let's go down to a 1 minute. We also have another fair value gap. I call them fair value gaps because that's where you can get a fair price to get into an entry and to get long or short, right? And it's a block. It's always between a green candle, an open range candle like this, and a candle like this. So you see this candle right here? Look at this. Okay, come on. So look at this. Let me get rid of this block right here. Look at this. You see this? Look how this right here. This is from this point to that point. It's a green candle. It could be flip-flop if we go long or short. It's an imbalance. It's when you see a big old gap right here, right? It's between 2 points right here, a big old gap with an imbalance, and then another candle right here. That's an imbalance. That's a fair value gap. You see right here, these candles are respecting this. Right here. See how it respects this line across? These wicks ain't nothing but just, you know, they're gathering liquidity. That's all it's doing. It's gathering more entries. That's all it's doing to go long for whatever next stop it wants to go take out, right? But can you see how it's respecting this? It's constantly building up. It's not breaking. Look how these candles are not breaking. Look at these wicks. Look at this. All right, it didn't break that. It couldn't break that. It definitely couldn't break that. Look at these low points. The low points are like the blocks. Look at these blocks. See these blocks? One block, red and green. It wasn't no candle formation was passing these blocks. So that's how I knew that the loans were going to come in. And then here it is. Here was the confirmation right here to get into some more. After I was getting out, it came down. It looked scary, like, oh, it's going to shoot down. But look how it's respecting these blocks. Look at that. Right? Straight across. And then it formed up right here. That's how I knew long time. It's time to take some more longs. Y'all see that? That's me right now. I'm blind to the trading world. Hey, it's simple once you get used to the development of it. It might get a little tricky because you're not focusing on, you're focused on a price action, but you're trying to focus on the entry, the development. You're waiting for it to develop because it can do big moves, and you're like, oh, I see a big move. Let me get into this trade because it's going fast up or it's going fast down. Let me get into it. But then once they get to a certain point where I said there's a zone Once it hits that zone, let me see what it does at the zone. Is it going to retest at the zone? Is it going to disrespect that zone and just break through that zone? Is it going to respect that zone and build up on that zone? You see how it's building in the zone? Look how it's building. It's almost like an eyepiece. You can see like it doesn't want to break. I could circle this for you so you can see it. Right? It's all like a riddle. Look at that. It's telling a story. It doesn't want to break. It's telling you it doesn't want to break. Can you see that? And that's how you catch your trade. You can't miss that. 1, 2. Now it might can dip like that to get, to gather some more liquidity. It does that. That's what we call turtle soup. Look at that. Perfect. It's just beautiful how it's just forming. It's a perfect trade. But you want to make sure you're not trading, you're not risking too much profit, because that can get crazy. You know what I'm saying? And then you can really start getting emotional. You remember the name of the game? Cam died. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, bro. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Boom. Backup Cam. Where you at? Backup Cam. You know how we do. We gotta have that backup Cam. That backup Cammy. That backup Cammy, right? You know how we do. Gotta have that backup. Oh, let me fix that. My bad. A little unprofessional. Right there. Let me configure it a little bit because I look a little crazy up in here. There we go. All right, how's that? Thank you, London. All right. As I was saying, back to the lesson. I need to come out with a course. Tap 1, boom. Tap 2, boom. Tap 3, boom. Tap 4. But it was higher. Loans are coming in. And guess what? How you get the full confirmation that loans are coming in. Look how the green candle closed above this. You can go in full contracts. W. It's textbook. Textbook, right? Textbook. But the thing is, you gotta be patient. With the markets, you have to be patient. Sometimes you're scalping, which is quick moves, or you're playing technicals, and you're literally watching for development like this. You see what I'm saying? You're watching for development. I don't have to draw these lines no more. Like, I really don't. Like, I don't have to draw them no more. I'm humble myself. So I have to do sometimes, but as you can see, you're not seeing what I'm seeing because I've had my eyes on this market for a good amount of time. So I know what to look for. It's where I don't have to draw the line. See how the line, look how perfect this line is. It's literally telling you, hey, I don't want to break. You see what I'm saying? But I don't have to see that. I'm looking at it. The wicks are telling me, hey, it's not going down. All right. So, this is what we do. We will get, hey, thank you, London, for sure. This is what we do. We gauge the market. We get into like maybe 1 or 2 contracts, 1 or 2 micros, right? All right, just to gauge it, because it looks like a potential long. It looks like it wants to go up, right? We get into the market, gauge the market, 2 micros, kind of have a little stop to kind of see if we might lose $30, $13, whatever the amount you want to lose. But when you want to start, I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong camera. My bad, y'all. My mind is all over the place, y'all. Excuse me. Boom. Right. My bad, y'all. When you want to when you get into the market and you say I'm gonna get into 2 micros to kind of gauge the market, right? You gauging the market because we just caught this long. Because I'm pretty sure a lot of people are wondering, like, what did you see? How did you even knew that was coming in? Right? On this account, we caught this long. You're like, what did you see, bro? So as you can see, right? When you get into this market, right, and you see that fair value, you see that FVG, that's a fair value you got. That's either going to determine whether you want to get in long or whether you want to get in short. It's just a quick little technical play that you can use to get into a play, right? But to get into that trade, you want to make sure that trade is developing to go higher or go lower. So as you can see right here, we got the fair value gap. Boom, we're on a 1 minute. You see, right behind. You see right behind here. Look at this right here. MNQ. We are micros Nasdaq. Micros Nasdaq, not minis. 1 minute time frame, right? When I first started, I seen that it closed. We started right here. I said, oh, this thing wants to go back up because we bounced right here. Look at these wicks. It's bouncing. Right? You see it? Bounce. I said, I gotta see if I bounce. This is a 15 minute demand. This little block right here is a 15-minute demand zone. Let me drop down to a 1 minute. Right back down to a 1 minute so y'all can see this lesson real quick. All right, so look. You seen that the 30-minute the red candle closed, right? It closed, right? That red candle closed. Boom. Now the green candle was next, right? I'm going down to a 1 minute. I look for my fair value gap, which is right here. My fair value gap from blue to blue. From this point, from that point. Because what is it? It's an imbalance. So I had to catch that long. I said, my bias was I want to go long. I want to see where it's going to develop at, where I can get in and get out. All right. Where I seen that it was developing at was right here. These blocks was not wanting to break each other. It was just constant. Look, one block right here, one block right here, one block right here. And guess what it's doing? Respecting this fair value gap. It's not breaking this line. This line is not being broken. It's respecting this line. Can y'all see that? That's like, oh, hey, I need to get in. So I got into 1 micro, gauge the market. But also, guess what we also got? We also have a supply block right here. It had to break this. I wanted to see it break. But of course, it's going to try to pass this and close, and then it closed past that. So look, the green candle didn't close past this, so we're going to have a retest, right? To test to see if we're going to respect this line. Boom. All right. It respecting it, came back up, slowly came back up, and guess what? This candle passed that candle, and guess what it did? This line was broken by this candle, this green candle. That was an indication for the longs, but I'm not going to get in yet because guess what? It didn't close it past this candle. That's another indication for the short. Let me get out of my contract, maybe 1 or 2 contracts to re-engage. I got back in when I seen this red candle close right here. All I'm doing is waiting for candles to close. If it's not closing past these certain candles, I'm not going to get in, right? So let's say that this candle, this market would have broke, right? Let's say this candle would have broke past this level. That's an indication like, okay, maybe the shorts maybe want to come in. Maybe I don't want to get into this market. But seeing this red line is being respected with this fair value gap, and it's not tapping this, it's only all it's doing is tapping it, but the candle is not closing. Once the candle shows that it's closing, then I know for sure, aha, the short's gonna come in. But since the candle is showing that, hey, it don't want to go down. Longs all day. But don't size heavy because it can start whipping like this. See how it's whipping up and down? Boom. Once I saw this candle close right here above all of this, I knew for a fact it wanted to go. See, it wanted to go long. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful trade. That's the lesson. You're good, no stress. Hey, for sure, for sure. That's what we do. I might have to come out of the course for real and teach this because not a lot of people would teach this, but this is called technicals. Now, if I was catching like scalping with me will get into a quick trade, like a quick, like for example, like this. I will get into a trade like this and go into my full contracts and go down and catch it short because I know it wants to respect a big zone. That's a different story for another day. So what we did, what I taught you today, or what you learned today was technicals, was like a really pretty much a support. All we did was catch a support on a fair value gap. It pretty much bounced off this support. It bounced off this support. It did not want to break. Pretty simple concept. Look at this red line. Study this red line. Look at how the candles are forming. Right? Right? Let me look at this. Let me put this little circle right here so you can see. Respect. 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 Okay, like damn, this thing don't want to go down, right? And here we go. Aha, it got higher. Look at this, it got higher. Hey, yo, this could be a long. Let me get into my contracts and look what happens. It continued to pump all the way up. Buyers are in control. Buyers are in control. Buyers are in control. Buyers are definitely in control. Damn, I should have held this trade. Hey, we got our trade though. We blocked out. All right, so moving on. Let's go into another account and find another trade. All right, I'm gonna erase all this stuff. I don't want my computer to start lagging and stuff. Let me get this off my screen. All right, let's look for the next trade, y'all. Let's look for the next trade. Just keep sticking around. We're gonna keep on trading, keep on catching moves, and you're gonna learn, and it's gonna make you some money. This is why we're here. We're not here to play around. I mean, we can have fun, but hey. All right, let's get it. All right, so we are pushing up into this 1 hour. Boom. We tapping into this 1 hour. We're gonna see what we're gonna do at this 1 hour. We got a 1 hour. We got a 30-minute. We got a 30-minute fair value gap. We got a previous day low. I would like to see the previous day low tap because that's gonna definitely give indication on we're gonna might go shorter because the previous day low is like the big higher time frame on what the day did. These are lower time frames. Look at this. This is a 30-minute, a 1 hour compared to a daily. This is a daily. You see the low of yesterday's low? This is yesterday's low. That's a daily candle. If we tap into that and respect it to go shorter, yeah, we can go short. But this can all be distraction. This can look like a good trade, but this can be distraction. So I would like to see us pump into that daily for rejection, and then we can go short. So that's the move. Oh, my phone died. Oh well. But other than that, y'all, look. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. Are we gonna push higher? Hey, yes, we did. 30-minute look. 30-minute close above. 30-minute close above this red candle. Also close above this candle. We might push up higher. Let's see. Let me go into another account because I can't trade this account. Let me trade it to this account. Boom. Let me get down to that. All right, so we are pushing higher and higher. Goodness, man, this long already came in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to wait. So look, what we got right here. Boom. This right here. This a block. Let's see how we're respecting that block. I want to see what happens at this block. Dang, we bouncing off that easily. Yeah, the long's about to come in heavy. Come on, computer, what are you doing? All right. So let's see. Let's see if we can get a retest and a rejection, and then we can go long. Let's see if we can get a bounce right here somewhere without keep continuing to go long. Goodness. Let's see if it'll get us in. We might tap this previous day low and might see some shorts, but we're gonna see. I want to go for a long. I want to go for a quick scalp long to these highs because it looks like these longs are in control. These buyers are in control. They are not being stopped. The sellers are drying up. The sellers are in control. The sellers are in trouble right now. So the sellers, it's not looking good for y'all if you're trying to sell this market because the buyers are definitely in control, as you can see. 15-minute pass, 5-minute pass, yeah. All right, so the sellers came in. You might say, oh, but the sellers are coming in. It looks good and all. Sellers do look good, but hold on. Let me fix this. All right, let's go. Sellers do look good. I mean, yeah, no, they don't. No, they don't. We just bounced off this 30-minute. Let's see. Nice little bounce. Nice little thing. Hey, I'm going to gauge this market with 1 micro. I'm going to gauge with 1 micro. I'm going to put my stop at these lows for a loss of like 60 bucks, right? Put my stop below this low, 60 bucks. See how we bounced off this 30-minute? I like that. I like that. All right, see, look, we pushing higher. Let's see what happens. Can we get a, dang, wow. I would add more, but I just want to see. If we get a break of structure, I'm going to add more. A break of structure will be above this right here. I want to see a break above this, and I want to see a break above this. I want to see us break before I go in more. 5-minute. Let's see what we have. 30-minute fair value gap. Hey, this might go short. Let's see. Oh, rejection. High rejection. You know what? Let me look at some more time frames to see. Okay, we didn't pass that point. Nice little rejection. Look at a tick chart. Oh, big rejection. All right, let me add more. I'm gonna add more and let me see. Hold up, let me add more. Yeah, I'm gonna add. If we don't get this, if we can continue to hold this high. But then again, wait a minute. Now I see something. Hold on. All right, so we are rejecting off this 30-minute. So we are rejecting on the 1 hour. We jumped. I mean, on the 30-minute fair value gap, we rejecting. So I gotta be careful because this shorts came in. They rejected heavy on that. Yeah, 3-minute rejection, 2-minute rejection, 1-minute rejection. All right, so the shorts are coming in. Let's see, but that doesn't mean the short's gonna be automatic. Doesn't mean that the short's gonna be in control. That just means that we might have a retest or retracement. Let's see what happens. If we're gonna respect this this block right here, we're gonna see. But I like how we close above that. That's what's telling me long. We are high, but that's okay though. All right, that's cool. That's cool. I'm gonna put my stop a little lower. I'm gonna take a loss for 100. And when we add more, it's going to move my stop. I just want to see what happens right here. But we above this 1 hour. That's the thing. We above this 1 hour. I'm gonna add 3 more. All right, move my stop right here. I'm adding. See if we can get this bounce. I'm gauging the market. This is called scalping. This is like scalping right here. So I showed y'all technicals in a way. This is scalping. I'm gonna add more right here. All right, let's go. And if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. We have a loss for 396. Ooh, nice rejection. Hey, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Hey, just watch this market for me. Let me put my stop down a little bit lower. Watch this market. Let me know what happens. I'll be right back, y'all. Where am I thinking? Where am I thinking? All right. All right, we back. We back. Let's see if we can get this pump higher. This is called scalping. So, see if we can get this pump back up to them highs. If not, then hopefully they give it to us. Let's see. Probably not. When we get that rejection, hopefully we don't get that rejection. This might look like a rejection. Dang. If not, I might take out. Ooh, that was a big rejection. I don't like that. What we got? Let's see. Let's see. All right, we're rejecting. I thought we was gonna get this bounce, but clearly it shows that we're breaking it. And we might get the bounce right here somewhere. We might get the bounce. We might get the bounce. Ooh, it's rejecting big time, big time. Ooh, wow! It did not want to give. It did not want to hit that previous day. That's all right though. Good play. Oh well. Oh well. We're down 439 on this account, but that's okay though. You're only willing to risk what you're willing to risk. You don't ask how much you're getting out the profit. You always ask how much it costs. So whatever you know how much you're willing to risk, take that. Now don't pump on me. Do that. Stop me out just a pump. Look at that. Hey, they really be doing that. But look, hey y'all, I'm about to get off. Look, we did good on our accounts. 3,000 on the day. Give yourself a pat on the back. 800 on the day. And what's the other account? I got another account. Where's it at? I got a lot of accounts actually. And 439. We're down on the day 439. I'm gonna log that out. I'm gonna lock that out, y'all. Lock that out all day. That's it. I'm not even gonna overtrade. You seen that the trade was right. Look at that. You see, I told y'all the trade was right. It just I got in too early. I got in too early. All right, so look, I'm about to get off, y'all. It was fun. I enjoyed it. I pray y'all have a good day. Pray for blessings over all of y'all. Let me go ahead and read this Bible verse one more time. Oh yeah, also get this coupon, 80% off. 80% off. Ends tonight. Use that code, that guy. Buy you some accounts, that 80% off. You don't want this account. You don't want the 80% off coupon code going back to 50%. And you're going to be spending $50 and $100 for an account. Use that code, 80% off, all right? Use that code. We did good on this account. I'm going to keep this up because I don't want nobody thinking that I'm just sucking. But look, 80% off, y'all. Use that code, that guy, in the link in the description and in the chat. All right? I hope y'all have a great day, a blessed day, and God bless y'all. And, you know,